amigos! Today we are going to learn when to use tú and when to use usted. They both mean you in Spanish, but we use them differently. So let's learn how to do that. Welcome to Teacher Catalina, my channel where you learn Spanish from a native speaker, a certified Spanish teacher with more than 16 years of experience. ¿Estás listo? Let's go to our classroom so we can learn that. As we discussed a few minutes ago, we know that both tú and usted mean you, but we use them in different situations. So let's learn when to use tú, and then we will focus on when to use usted. Tú means you, but it's an informal you. So basically, we're going to say tú when we want to say you to family members, friends, somebody who's younger than us, or somebody that we feel comfortable with. Now, usted is a little bit more formal, which is why I'm wearing a tie, to help you remember that usted is you in a formal way. So when do we use usted? Usted is going to be used when we want to refer as you, but somebody that may be older, somebody that we want to show respect to, or maybe somebody we haven't met yet, so we're not familiar, we're not friendly with them yet. We want to be formal. So always remember, usted, you can think of a tie to kind of make that reference to formality. In case you need to know this, usted is generally abbreviated into UD period. And that is most likely how you may see it in textbooks. So remember, it's usted. Usted. Let's do a little bit of practice. Basically, are we addressing the following people as tú or as usted? Look at this. My little brother, or somebody that's younger than me. Should we treat him as tú or should we treat him as usted? Think. Very good. That would be tú. Tú. Because they're younger or because they're family members, somebody that we're comfortable with. Informal. Now we have my boss. My boss. Should we treat her as tú or should we treat her as usted? Think about it. That's right. That would be usted. Usted. First of all, because she's my boss, and second of all, because I want to show respect to her. Usted, my best friend. My best friend. Tú or usted? Very good, that would be tú. And that's because we're informal, we're being familiar. I have no idea who this person is. Would I treat him as tú or would I treat him as usted? You decide. Piensa, think. That is correct. That would be usted. I don't know this person, so we will be a little bit more formal. Think of your tie on. Look at this picture. Would you say tú or would you use usted? That's right. That would be usted. This is somebody that will be older than us, so we want to show respect to and be a little bit more formal. Why do you need to know this? Because pretty soon you will be learning how to greet other people and how to introduce yourself. So you need to think, should I use the tú form or should I use the usted form? You have to make a decision. Go ahead and look for that link below so you can continue to learn the rest of the subject pronouns in Spanish. Not only would you learn how to use tú and usted, you will also learn how to say I, he, she, we, and the rest of them. You did fantastic today. Now, you should be comfortable knowing when to use tú and knowing when to use usted. Or basically deciding, am I going to treat this person as tú or am I going to treat them as usted? Muy bien. Chócalas. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I would like to invite you to click the subscribe button and that notification bell so that you and I can continue to learn Spanish together. And while you're at it, go ahead and give me a thumbs up because that really helps my channel. And I look forward to seeing you soon. Muchas gracias y adiós.